Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flamingo from recycling material. The things we need are a formic sheet which I have cut it according to the body shape, water, pebbles, plaster of Paris, mixing bowl, wires and a pipe. First I'm going to fill a plastic bowl with pebbles and will stick the wires in it for the legs. Now I am going to pour the plaster of Paris for it to set. Right now I am going to make the body with formic sheet, shopping bags and will stick them together. Then I'm going to wrap the body with old cotton clothes and after that I'm going to cover the body with plaster of Paris. Now I'm going to paint it with white enamel. Here I'm painting the beak with black and orange enamel paint. So this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.